Hi everyone, so today I wanted to do a little cleaning motivation with you. I thought I'll go ahead and start here in my living space. This is a place that we all gather, so it can tend to get a bit overwhelming, so I thought I'll get this together and move about my home. As you see, I'm just cleaning off my coffee table. I had a few items from Amazon to come in. Those were essential oils, so I'm going to go ahead and put them up and then get this table wiped down. If this is your first time joining me, hello, welcome. I'm Raquel. I would love for you to join me on this life journey, this cleaner motivation lifestyle channel I have here on YouTube. Come and join me if you're not already subscribed, and if you are, welcome back. I do miss you guys so very much. I know I don't record and upload like I used to, but I'm trying to find balance here in my life. Anyways, let's get started with this cleaning motivation.
Some time, but we pointed out that tomorrow isn't here right now, baby. An absent mind came to roam around, captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear in the shadows of it, I'm ready to go.
Okay, something I like to do when the vacuum cannot get along here too well, I just like to take the damp cloth and just take a rag and just clean off, and then I'll re-vacuum this section. So just take the damp rag on the steps and just run it along. It'll get all the dirt that you were not able to get with the vacuum. Thought I'll share. Clean this part. All of that needs to be clean.
Captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear in the shadows I lit, I'm ready to go. I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life.
Okay, I wanted to stop and share this glamorous wash, I guess it's Glamorous Diva Wash with you guys. I shared it on my Instagram stories, and I originally saw this on Lux Mommy's, like one of her favorites, so I went on to Amazon and purchased some. I absolutely love it. It smells so awesome. So it is fine laundry detergent. And yeah, it definitely is expensive, but you can definitely smell it in your clothing. So I wanted to share this because I did get a few little inquiries about it when I did post it on my Instagram. So it came off Amazon. If you just go ahead and type in Glamorous Wash, this would come about. And I think they may even have other products. I will try more in the future. Thought I'll share. Alright, you guys, so we got this lawn maintenance or service yesterday, and they came, all of that is weed eater. They sprayed our yard, so it's blue. It's going to kill all the weeds. They cut the grass. Look at all that. So these are supposed to be rocks, but yeah, it's green. But anyways, and wipe down my patio table since they came here, and now we have grass and stuff on the table. So I'm just gonna wipe it down and get it back together. And then I brung this out here, so I can blow off the extra grass that's on here.
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with the habits of the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place.
Well, I need to get a little more water and add it to this one here. Let me turn it. I don't know, I left it, I put it up here when I first got it, and it's just been sitting up there the whole time. We really haven't grilled out a lot either, so I mean, if we do use the grill, of course I remove it. But here goes. I wiped down my table. Well, let's get some of this water from this plant. Okay, so here goes the table. I moved that little flower thing out the way. This is a real plant. I just leave this little ball on here. This is actually a little LED ball. A company sent it out to me, and you can use it with a remote. And I think it's even, you can put it in a pool or something like that. But sometimes at night we'll cut that on if I have it charged up. And yeah, so here it goes. Of course, this paint was here when we moved into this good old housing unit here. This is still up here. Sometimes it's, I feel like I need to go and re-spray paint this. Oh, I stuck them sticks up there. Don't worry about that. Whew. I am done. The patio looks really nice and clean. I'm gonna put this vacuum up, but here goes my patio. Here's the little.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need. Get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need. Get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done.
Alright, you guys, cheers. Good morning. I was able to finish my home. The kitchen is nice and clean. This table is wiped down. Like you saw in the video, I started most of it the other day, and then I got it clean. So it's nothing like having a clean kitchen for the day. You know, we're all home, still quarantined. Here goes this in. Yep, and out here, oh my gosh, I'm so happy this was able to be wiped down. So excited about that. This little fly thing is a lifesaver because every morning I open my door to air out the home. You know, it's just a way to freshen up your house. So crack a window, open your doors, especially here in the spring time. I'm absolutely loving my table. I put these books here. I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna put them at the moment. I do have some here through a book in, and my mom just sent us this. So yeah, so cute. I need to find somewhere to put it, but it's so cute. Little motorcycle. And so here goes everything, you guys. I hope you enjoy this